Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be creating this beautiful look, but actually it's about my lips today. So I'm going to be trying on 3 lipsticks. I want you guys to choose one for me to wear to a New Year's party. So I'm going to leave the links of everything down in the comment section. Again, if you like my content, I would love for you to become a part of the family. So go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel. Also, turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so help me choose a lipstick to wear to a New Year's Eve party. So I'm going to be doing 3 colors, and you guys tell me down in the comment section which one you like the most. So the first one I'm going to use is this one called En Vogue by Juvia's Place. Alright, so this is the color. Alright, and for that one I'm going to line my lips with the Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola. Alright, so let's try this one first. Dark brown. I mean, my eyes are saying a lot, so you know, let's see. All right. Nice peachy nude. So I always go back. Let me zoom you guys in a little. So I always go back over my liner with my pencil or my lips. And I'm gonna line my lips with the Juvia's Place Dulce Latte. So that's look number 1. What do you think? All right, let's get ready to do look number 2. Oh, for look number 2, we're going to be using this Essence Stay lip liner, waterproof lip liner. For some reason I can't see the name of the color, but it's like a dark red. All right. All right, so we're gonna put that on. Line your lips really well. And the pencil just helps to give you like a sharper line. All right, so this one is 402 Devil's Matte. This one is by L'Oreal. All right, nice pretty color. So pretty. She is stunning. And these does not have to be for New Year's. Like if you're going somewhere and you want like a nice bright red to go with your crazy eyes, then you know, these are some options. So option number 2. All right, that's 2. All right, so option number 3 is red also. So I took off most of the lipstick. If it stains, that's okay. Just go over your lip with your foundation brush. Right, so we're gonna put on the liner again, and if I can find the name of the liner, the color, I will list it down for you. Okay. Alrighty, so this one is by Juvia's Place as well. It's called Perfect Red. Alright, let's try her on. Tell me if you could see the difference between this one and the last one. Make sure you get in the inner inside. So smooth. You don't necessarily have to wear liner, but I like the liner. So this is number 3, Perfect Red. What do you think? So it would be number 1, number 2, or number 3. Let me know which one is your favorite for a New Year's Eve party or just a party in general. So I hope you guys love them. This one feels so comfortable. I love this one. So let me know what you guys think, which one I'm going to wear. I hope you guys enjoyed. And just like that, guys, we have come to the end of this quick video. I hope that you enjoyed these lipsticks. They are very beautiful. Let me know which one you would choose or which one I should choose. Again, guys, I want to thank you so much for all of your support for 2023, and let's look on to 2024. I wish you guys all of the best health, wealth, happiness, and just a good life. All right, guys, I thank you again for all of your support, and I hope to see you guys next year. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, also turn on your post notification bell, that way you will never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.